I have this stud finder 830 for over 15 years and it was serving well, but started to mess up with lights and finding the stud all the time, and I will start moving left and right. So I decided to purchase a new one, and I went with same brand Zircon, and in this case is HD55. Okay, I already opened this. What I got is the stud finder itself with the paper instructions, and here is the pocket level as bonus, which is really cool. There's a magnet on it here, and it can measure 2 different ways. That's just a bonus, like I said. But this stud finder is Zircon HD55 updated version, and has 2 options, which is stud scan and deep scan. I can go from one end to another, and requires 9-volt battery. And let's see how it works. To install battery, compartment is easy to open. Push this tab and it's 9-volt battery. Plus is on the right, minus is on the left, and push it down, close it, and it is ready. In order to use it, here is a button on the left side of it that we need to press, and once we press that, it will show us that it's ready. But here is also a switch to go from the stud scan to deep scan, and right now is on the stud scan. Deep scan is going deeper, and then it can go through thicker drywall, but it's also good to make sure that there is no electrical wiring or any obstacles if you choose to do so. I will go with the stud scan, regular scan, and let's see how that goes. Okay, now in order to test it, I'm here in the laundry, and I know that here is already stud that is having shelf in it, and in order to look for the stud, I need to press that button on the left side and wait for a couple of seconds till it says ready, and then slowly move to the right side, and it goes here, and here is the stud beginning. So if I need to do it now, I will need to mark it and then continue moving with the arrow on the stud and see where is the end of the stud and mark it. So that is how to find stud with the stud finder without deep scan. So we found the stud, and I like to just say by reading the manual, it says that accuracy of this device is 1/8. So that means 1/8 on both sides is the accuracy point, and it's good to find the middle all the time, but that's just good to know. And in order to calibrate this, it is important once we are on the wall to not to touch the wall, but to press this button for a couple of seconds till it says ready, and then go to the wall and move. Okay. And here I like to demonstrate a deep scan, which is that I need to switch this to deep scan, and once I go over the stud for the shelf, I know that here is electrical wiring, so I will need to see that triangle, and let's test it. Will I be able to find that? So I am ready. I'm gonna go, and I am finding the stud, and then here you can see this triangle that says that here is electrical wiring, which I know that is on the side of the 2x4, and we need to be careful not to hit the wire while doing that. So that's one more way how to find it, but like I said, I'm not going to use deep scan so often. I'm going to do only stud scan, but it's good to know what options we have. Here is the manual that is basically saying what I said quickly. By demonstrating it, it is step by step how to use it. I suggest with any new device or anything new to read it thoroughly and be familiar with. But I just wanted to make this video for quick reference how to use it the way I understand. I hope this helps somebody to make a decision to buy it or how to use it. Thank you for watching.